Миш!
From unexpected turns to breathtaking scenes, you won't believe what's about to happen. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next unbelievable moments. This is the unstoppable power of earthquakes. In just a moment, a flood wave from the mountaintop crashed down below. He managed to turn the shark away. The cloud looked like a curtain was being drawn down. Anticyclone, with unique formation chain near Roosevelt, Oklahoma. Rescuers are currently responding to a fire. It's raining fish. A citizen's camera captured the train collision at Chittagong Port.
Itu dubu jabe koi. Itu 100% dubu, itu 100%. Sure.
Rare scene of a school of fish. Dodo, one of the world's most famous dogs, learned to walk. Oh my God, I thought it was a boat.
Oh, it is the boat.
I don't know if he's protecting the dog or the new shoes. Cars turned into boats create a unique scene. The silo demolition incident in Vordingborg. The crane tilted under its weight, dropping a lot of wood into the water. The two cranes could not bear the weight and fell into the abyss with the car. If I said the cow stole the car, would you believe me? Prolonged heating test of the Archimedes engine. The crane was slowly sinking into the muddy river. It seems the driver forgot how to drive. Floods hit New York City. Flood emergency in Ruidoso, New Mexico. Floods and landslides swept away houses and vehicles. Alto cumulus clouds are currently forming around Brisbane, Australia. A dead car was pulled over by a train. Fortunately, no one was injured.
Пиздец. Ну туда вон подъезжай. Миш! Миша, блядь!
Luckily, they had quick reflexes to avoid it. Blow up the crane at Fammer Famek in Kluchborg. The runway caused the woman to fall. Camera captures rainbow appearing on the sea.
Definitely Thor coming through.
Image of spiderwebs covering the field. severe flooding devastated Tuapse district Krasnodar region. House fire in Japan. The train broke off from the front of the car and gradually tilted down. Mud from the mountain poured down, sweeping away houses and roads below the mountain. Looks like he needs a bigger faucet. Something terrible is happening at Nobi Bridge over the Kiso River. Rare four-bladed water spout discovered on a remote island in Thailand. Rain and wind in Bogor. Astagfirullah. A gas tank exploded inside a gas station in the city. The horrific tanker truck overturned in Santa Barbara de Regia. Dolphins jumping ashore at Kasab Musandam. Light show at Aurelia Douglas Street electric discharge line.
Fuck.
The snow on the sea drifted up the harbor into the city's barrier. A dry landslide occurred in Siangjawaling. Damage from a weak tornado in San Cristobal de las Casas, Mexico.
¡El cielo se cae! ¡Ahora sí, Rey! ¡Nos vamos a morir! ¡Nos vamos a morir, chiquiteros!
Image of whales rising to the surface of the water. Please comment what you think of today's video and don't forget to subscribe for more great content. See you next time.